Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how I completely recreated and reorganized my workshop. Over the past few years, my workshop has slowly grown bigger and bigger with more tools, materials and small parts. My old setup from a company called HobbyZone just wasn't keeping up with the way I work anymore. So I decided to make my own custom setup using these IKEA MOPPE drawers. Links are down below. These modules come fully assembled, which is nice, but straight out of the box they look a bit plain, and the base of each drawer felt just a little too flexible. So I measured and cut a few wooden strips and added them underneath for extra support. For those of you wondering if I'm still working on Woody, yes, I'm making and filming the next parts. Recently I finished his voice box. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen a small preview. But before diving back into that project, I really needed to get my workspace in order. Now the drawers are more solid, so we can move on to the next part, making them look great and match the rest of my workshop. I patched up the small imperfections with wood filler to get everything perfectly smooth. Leaving the wood unfinished wasn't an option, especially when you're dealing with paint, dust and tiny parts that somehow get everywhere. So I decided to give them a cleaner, more durable finish. I found a company called Oracle and choose deep red vinyl for the inside and black for the outside, because why not? Let me know in the comments what's your favorite color combo. I repeated this process for all 36 drawers, so if you think it's satisfying and you could do it all day, yes, you could. Many days actually. If you're still watching at this point, thank you so much. And if you don't want to miss my next video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. There are many products for cleaning vinyl surfaces. I went with an all-round quick shine cleaner, so I don't have to worry about fingerprints or dust. I didn't like the cutout handles that came with the IKEA drawers, so I chose these small round knobs. They give the drawers character and just look cool. Next, I glued 6 modules together to fit all 36 drawers. I also covered the outside in black vinyl to create a sleek, uniform look. My workshop also needed new lights, so I picked this set of 2. They have every spectrum of white and warm light, plus a timer, which is pretty nice. And now it's time to put everything together. These drawers have so much more room compared to my old HobbyZone ones, but they're not complete without organizers. I also added 2 cutting boards, and couldn't choose between these two colors, so I took them both. It was time to see my printer at work, and Bambu Lab printers are very fast. One set of organizers was done just in under 2 hours. If you don't want to print them yourself, there are plenty of options, like local maker spaces, online 3D printing services, or even Etsy sellers who can print them for you. I found this model on Printables, so thank you to creator Andreas G. Now here's a quick comparison between my old setup and the new one. What do you think? Write me your thoughts in the comments. I read them all and I'll answer as quickly as I can. That's it for today's build. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and maybe share it with a friend who would enjoy it too. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.